Hello. Is anybody home?
So this is the home that you grew up in. It looks very nice. But where is everybody? There doesn't seem to be anybody here.
You're right. There's nobody home. It seems everybody is out.
Did you tell them we were coming?
No, I didn't tell anyone. I just wanted it to be a surprise. Don't worry. They love surprises. Look, there's an apple pie on the table. It looks yummy. I think Grandma has baked it. No one can bake a pie like Grandma. Hers are the best. Let's eat some. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten anything all day.
It was so delicious.
Would you like some more?
No thanks. I can't wait to see the rest of the house.
Okay, let's go. This was my room. There's nothing changed here. Everything is just the way I left it. That's my desk, where I used to study and do my homework.
It's really nice and cozy. I love it. Hey, I can see someone in the backyard. I think it's your grandma.
That's right, it's her. She's coming inside. And I can hear a noise downstairs. I think somebody came home. Let's go and see who it is.
Sam! Clara! We saw your car in front of the house. That's such a wonderful surprise.
Welcome home. We haven't seen you for such a long time.
We didn't know you were coming, so I didn't prepare anything special for today.
It's okay, Grandma. We're going to eat out a little later. You can prepare something special tomorrow.
Your hometown is so beautiful. Everything is so charming. Everywhere you go, there's something interesting to see. There are lots of restaurants, shops, and parks. You could never get bored. I think anyone who comes here falls in love with this town.
Yes, there is always somewhere to go and something to do in this town.
Are there any shops anywhere around here where I could buy some souvenirs for my parents?
Yes, there's one nearby. Let's go.
My parents are gonna love what I got for them.
Let's go now somewhere to eat, shall we?
That's a great idea. I'm starving.
This restaurant over here is my favorite one. Their meals are delicious.
But the restaurant is full. I'm afraid there is nowhere to sit.
There must be a free table somewhere. Look, over there.
Good evening. Would you like to order?
Good evening.
I'm not sure yet what to have. I want nothing heavy. Could you recommend something light?
Everybody loves our grilled chicken salad. It's very light and healthy.
Okay, I'll have that, thank you.
I'll have some lobster, please.
I'm afraid there isn't any lobster left.
I see. Then I'll have the grilled chicken salad too.
Would you like anything to drink with your meal?
Just some water, please.
And a cup of ginger tea for me, please.
Oh no!
What's wrong? Have you lost something?
Where's my bag with the souvenirs? I think someone has stolen it from me.
Maybe you forgot it in the restaurant. Let's go and see. Hello again. My wife has lost her shopping bag and we were wondering if you found it in the restaurant by any chance.
Let me check. I'll be right back. I'm sorry, I've looked for it everywhere, but I couldn't find it anywhere.
Okay, thank you very much. You know, on second thought, I think I forgot it on the bench in the park. Let's go there.
Look, there it is. How lucky is that?
Wow, I can't believe no one has taken it.
Is anything missing?
Everything is there. Nothing is missing. This town seems to be a really safe place to live.
That's what makes it so special. There's nowhere like my hometown.